Hey guys, welcome back to Noah's Fast RC. Got a small packaging to share with you guys. This just came in the mail and pretty excited about this. If you're not familiar with the packaging, this comes from South Korea. Those of you who probably purchased from that company are probably familiar with the packaging. Anyhow, this comes from H-Tech RC. They're based out of South Korea, and they are legit, guys. For quality, top-notch aftermarket products for crawlers, scale vehicles. They're the go-to company if you really want, like I said, top quality. Packaging is always wonderful. So here we go. I have the rear bumper, all metal, with the tow hitch included. Let's open this so I can show you what I'm talking about when I mean quality. If you guys remember, I already have the front bumper from them. Look at this, guys. Look at that piece of work. This is art. It's got some weight to it. Not as much weight as the front bumper, but this one does have weight as well. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful products. And this is going to be part that goes to the hitch, to the bumper. I never hesitate to order from them because they never let you down. Their quality is just at a different level. Everything's just nice. Look at this. It's beautiful. These go in here, like that. This goes to the truck, the back of the truck. Now you get an understanding of what I'm talking about. See? Sweet. Just sweet. And I also included the actual tow hitch, which is also a pretty nice touch. The bumpers come with the LEDs as well, and it comes with the hooks as well, aluminum. Really beautiful work. Can't say enough good things about them. About their work. I just really love their work. So let me get this situated. I'll bring you guys back in. Let me get the truck and get everything I need so I can start working on it. So stand by. Alright guys, got the first lights on. So it comes with 4 lights, 2 for the rear lights, which are the red lights, and then 2 for the license plate. So it does illuminate the license plate, just like that. So let me get that going and I'll bring you guys back in. Stand by. Alright guys, I got the other lights in. So these are the lights that are going to light up the license plate, here and here. That's how you attach them. 2 washers, 2 small screws. Pretty cool. So let me get going. Stand by. Alright guys, I'm going to put the hooks on. I already put one on the bumper, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Just put them together, put the screw through, put the nut on the other side, and then we put it on the bumper with screws, 2 screws on the back. Okay, there you go. Looks cool. What do you guys think? Looks nice, right? So let me get going. We continue going on. I'll bring you guys back in. Stand by. Alright guys, got the license plate on. It's only 2 screws, 1 on each side. No big deal. It's beautiful. Looks very, very well. Nice made. So by the way, H-Tech obviously gives you an extra screw or washer or whatever you need. I'm putting all the extras for each piece. They give you an extra nut or bolt or washer, just in case you lose one, which is really cool on their behalf. So this is going to have to go attached to this. Because this goes attached to the bumper and this goes attached to the truck, to the back of the truck, which is this part here. So these support rails, these here, I'm going to replace this here. Should feel like that. So I got to get this part off the truck. But before I do that, I want to put this together as such. Alright guys, so I got this support brace on the bumper, 4 screws. I have this for the hitch to clamp on. So this attaches to this, and this piece attaches to the bumper, and all the lights are in place as well. Now it's got more weight, which is good because that I'm not really concerned about weight at this point. I'm more concerned about getting some weight on it because it's supposed to be a tow rig. So I have that done. So far, everything's been coming into place just like I wanted it to. Now I just gotta take this apart, which I'm going to do. This setup I have right here is actually pretty sturdy. Nothing wrong with it. I could have just left it, but I wanted to get the bumper and the whole setup from H-Tech because I really love their products. So, I mean, I already have those there. I could easily leave those right there and just attach these onto the bumper, which they should fit just like that, and call it a day. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put these on because I already have them, right? I'm not going to just have them there laying around doing nothing. So I'm going to put these on. So let me get that going, guys, and I'll bring you guys back in. Stand by. Alright guys, so here we go. Got the bumper, got the support braces that I was telling you about. Got those installed. I used the metal washers that it comes with, or aluminum washers. Took the plastic ones off. Installed these bumpers on. What do you guys think so far? Very sturdy. This thing's not going anywhere, that's for sure. So here's my other one, my other setup I had, that one I just took off. Here's all the hardware. I want to use this for a different truck. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Inside it carries a nut on each side to hold this bumper onto the brace. Unlike the other one that I have 2 screws going in, this only has 1. So yeah, it's a little different, but it's very sturdy. So the only thing I got left now is the actual hitch, which I'm going to put together. But since it came wrapped individually, that's why I figured it had all the hardware. Yeah, I wanted to show you this. This is completely disassembled, but as you can hear, it's all aluminum. This is going to be put together and you create a hitch. So let me get this together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Stand by. Alright guys, so there it is. Got the hitch installed. It's pretty cool. A unique design. This is the lowest it could go down, but it can come up higher by undoing this screw, moving this up. It's pretty cool how it works. Let me show you real quick here how this new system works. The only downside, and I don't know why they do that all the time, but I guess it's because it's only designed for a specific trailer, but this is the ball, the hitch ball. It's too big for my trailers. This is the one that goes here. They came with this kit. But my trailers are all this size, RC four-wheel drive size, tow hitch ball. But the actual one that came with the kit goes here, which is this one. But like I said, it doesn't fit my trailers. The ball is too big. But I mean, it's nice, but usability, it's not going to work for me. At least not for my trailers. Anyhow, let me show you what I was talking about. So if I undo this screw here, and these are screw-ons, they're not just push-ins. So you don't need a nut on the other side. See how that moves? I can go as high as that if I wanted to. All those options are right there. But I don't need it that high. So that's why I put it on the very top one. Just like that. There it is. Now it won't move anywhere. It fits kind of loosely. You know what I mean? I'm not used to that. I'm used to the ones that are nice and firm. But the look is there, I guess. So yeah, everything's installed. Like I said, I'm probably going to change the hitch bar anyway, because my trailers don't fit that size hitch bar. So I have to put this one back on whenever I want to use it. I know this is a fifth wheel trailer, but I like to have options. That's why I like to have everything readily available. So if I don't want to use the fifth wheel trailer, I'll use this one. So yeah, anyhow guys, this is it. This is all it is. I'll just put the wires through here. So let me get the body on so you guys can see it. All right. That. But yep, that's the way it looks, guys. What do you guys think? You guys like it? Pretty dope, right? I think it looks pretty damn cool. That's what I think. I just have to worry about the wiring tomorrow, because I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I have to get up early. But yeah, that's the way it looks. I really like it the way it came out. Really, really like it a lot. A lot. So yeah, guys. You guys give me your opinion. Tell me what you think, if you like it, you don't like it. I love it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll put another video later on. I got more stuff coming in. Actually, I'm waiting for it to be in stock. They don't have it in stock yet from H-Tech. Something else I want to add to it as well. Give it another look, another touch. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye. Alright guys, here we go. Got the truck hooked up. Got the lighting, front and back. See what you guys think. These lines off. Pretty cool, right? What do you guys think? Select look. I think it looks dope.